Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Focus Studio. Today I'm going to talk about a Korean singer. I hope I pronounced her name correctly, Sohyang. Not too long ago I actually discovered her and I was absolutely amazed, even though that basically the style or the genre she sings, it's not really not genre, I would say the style, the way she sings is not really my favorite style, but to be honest, she convinced me. So I wanted to a little bit analyze her voice. So let's see, I chose a video about the 10 best live performances, so let's do it. Okay. Well, first of all, when I heard her the very first time, I thought she's just the usual R&B singer or something like that. And when I did some research about her, I read that the international media called her the Korean Mariah Carey. Well, I have to tell you, again, it's my opinion, but I think she is better than Mariah Carey, and I tell you why. First of all, well, obviously both of them has clearly outstanding technique, but the reason why I liked her, and again, like I said before, this style is not really my favorite style, because when I listen these R&B singers doing the runs all the time, like after a while it's annoying to me. It's a bit annoying, but when I heard her, no, it wasn't annoying at all. I was like, what the it was like, no, it's not. And I'll tell you why. The reason why I prefer her and I like her more than Mariah Carey, because of the emotional expression, as I always talk about. To me, when I hear Mariah Carey, again, outstanding technique, clearly amazing vocal range, fantastic. But again, this is technique. Technique is something that we can learn. It's just a mechanical part of singing. But when it's coming through this, that what you feel, what you are, what you want to express. When I listened to her, it was so passionate. I can feel the strength in her voice. It's not about just like it was like, it was a full power behind. And again, it's not physical power. It's the projection, the way you can project. And projection, what is projection again? Is the law of the least effort. Projection is about projecting everything what's inside of you out without the least effort as possible. Like without any strain, any push, anything. And that's what she does, and that's why I loved her. And that's one of the reasons. Hold on, let's carry on. And after all, she just smiled like this, like it would be the easiest thing to do on earth. I love it. Projection, it says projection, you see? And yeah, so that was actually a G5. Yeah. So basically, obviously, in the styles, actually, what I've heard, she uses a lot of falsetto, mixed voice, and belting. And the reason, actually, that's or technically, if we technically watch the more power, technically, if you use your mixed voice, it's a little bit less powerful than you use belting. But here comes the belting. Belting is only powerful if you project correctly. Because if you don't project, you will push physically, and that's not powerful. That's painful, and it's not good to watch, not good to listen. And when somebody is able to belt with that amazingly effortless projected way, that's power. That's powerful, and that's why it's just incredible when you listen her, when you watch her hitting these amazingly incredible high notes. And again, helping this is not again the technique. What helps to hitting these notes? Emotions. When I watch her, when I listen to her, I can feel the passion, I can feel the pain, I can feel the anger, I can feel her, I can feel the story she wants to tell me. And that's the thing, that's singing. And again, I tell you again, people need this. The globe needs this real people, real singers, real artists. We don't want filters anymore. We don't want perfection, we want reality. That's what we want. We are living in a world where we are taught that perfection is the only thing that matters. If something is not perfect, it cannot be good enough. That's bullshit. That's bullshit, because there is no such thing as perfect. Imperfection is perfection. As long as we are human, we are imperfect, and that's good and that's fine. Because if we are imperfect, we have a room to improve. If we are perfect, what the hell we are doing here? We wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be up there watching them. Look at them. Yeah. So it's okay to be imperfect. It's okay not to be okay, because that gives room to be better, to improve. So be imperfect. Yes, it's okay to do that. And we need that. And the world needs these singers that to me, again, singing is a storytelling. And whether vocally or technically you're hitting a bum note here and there or whatever, but you're telling that but your story is coming through. I bought you, I love you, I want you. You did it. That's the point. Because when you sing live, it cannot be always this. Actually, there is no two same live performance. Why? Because when you're singing live, it depends always how you feel in that moment. And emotions are changing. Up and down, which is fine. So maybe one day you feel this, you're gonna sing differently. Next day you feel that, you're gonna sing differently. And if that's coming through, your message, your story is coming through, and you're hitting me here, you did it. You did your job. So yes, Sohyang. Let's see what else she can do. Okay, again here, basically he started so light, beautifully. It's a very light, angelic mixed voice, and then he went up again. She went up again, hit that straight. What was that? Let's check this note. Mix. Actually, that's actually a nice mix. A stronger mix. So it doesn't. What I hear that she doesn't do actually a very, very light mix up there. When she goes up, she's projecting it. She's using that, I would say, heavy mix. I would call it a heavier mix, and then belting. Beautiful, amazing. Nice and clear and steady. And pure, so pure, so real. Oh my God. It's literally like an angelic voice. and she's using head voice. It's so tricky because they actually using this very breathy sound. It's all first it would sound like falsetto, but no, she opens the back where the head voice going. And that's why it becomes so angelic. It's because she opens the back. Sorry. Oh, it's an A5. Wow. It's quite high. Beauty. Yeah, high voice. Yeah. Up here. So that's what I could actually tell really about her, that this pure angelic voice, basically the pure, that's the best word again I could say for her as well. Like pure. It's coming through straight away without any filter, and that's why it's powerful emotionally. Anyway, thank you very much. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please post below the video, or if you're interested in lessons, consultations, go to the website, which also the link is below the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye. If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site, where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations. And not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video, so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much, and see you soon.